Hey Google, my name is Chad Riffle and I'm an instructional consultant with the Wexford Misaki ISD and West Shore ESD. I support 18 different school districts and all of our districts are using Google Apps for education in some capacity, some more successfully than others. When I walk into a school and I show off the successes of one school to another school, I often get the response of, well, my teachers don't know how to do that. They're not going to know how to do that. And being a Google certified trainer would give me the credibility to say, look, I understand completely, and why not bring in a certified trainer to support your teacher's needs, and I can help them get to that point. So what makes me unique and googly? Well, I enjoy the challenge of walking into a school where the teachers are reluctant to try new technology. Google for us right now, is a big piece of that new technology, and I really like that experience of saying, hey guys, look what we could do. Look what your students could experience. Look at all these great technology skills and soft skills that your students are learning that our communities are begging us to teach our students. I am googly because I like working with the teachers and the students who are reluctant to try. I like showing them their potential and then celebrating their successes. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get the responses, the data, out of a Google form that you've created and put it into a spreadsheet that you can manipulate in other ways by adding formulas. So the first step is, if you remember, I talked about how important it is to keep your drive organized. Find your Google form that you had people fill out and that has your data in it, and open it up. You'll remember this first page is where we added the questions to our Google form, and the second page, responses, is where we see the responses that people gave us to our form. Now there's actually another way to view the responses, and that is this green box right here. If you click on the green box, that is going to select a response destination, a place where it's going to create or add to an existing spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So the first step is to decide whether you want to create a new one or you want to add it as a page in a spreadsheet you've already created. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to create a whole new spreadsheet for this. You name your spreadsheet and then click Create. Now what that does is that creates a spreadsheet that has all the data in a very basic Google Sheet. You're then going to need to manipulate it in the ways you want, add your formulas. Now you might be asking yourself, hey Chad, you told me I need to keep my drive organized. Where did that sheet go? Where is it saved in my Google Drive? Well, the sheet is actually saved in your Google Drive in the same folder that you kept the Google form, which is really nice because then you know right where it is. The responses are in the same folder that the form is in when it's created. So if you wanted it in any other folder, remember, you right click and move to. Alright guys, thanks for watching and good luck.